Hello and welcome. My name is Vukile. In this tutorial, I'm gonna apply the licks that we learned in this just previous lick, the three licks that we learned, and I've put a backing track here, which I'm going to make available as well in part 3 of this. So that was a 3-part series. So the first part was the licks, 3 licks, and now this is the application, and then I'm gonna put you also put the backing track there so that you may play against it. So this is the thing. It's gonna be a short one. I'm gonna do the 3 licks, and this is in the key of C. So that's the application of those 3 licks. I've added a few notes just to make it. I didn't want to be clouded with a lot of licks. I could have put a lot of licks there, but those 3 licks. I was doing a little variation on this one here. When I play this lick, I normally think of a different lick altogether. So that's it in the other lick. The other lick. Thank you very much. My name is Vukile. I'll meet you in the next, in the backing track. Make sure you practice against the backing track. Cheers. Bye.